Hi everyone, Alexa here with the Duval Homestead, and today I want to share with you 5 of our favorite spring brunch recipes. I recently shared our spring table decorating ideas, so if you're looking for a table setting, you can check that out in the description box below. It is spring at our house right now, but it doesn't need to be spring to throw a fantastic brunch. In fact, we like to have a nice breakfast even on the weekends, even if there's not a holiday or a special season to celebrate. So I wanted to share a few recipes that you can make on the weekends or anytime you want to make a brunch for a lot of people or just your family. These recipes together are a very healthy breakfast. They have protein and vegetables and probiotics and a whole bunch of great ingredients. So it is a delicious and healthy brunch. First, I start with a vegetable and egg bake. So I use 12 eggs, and in this recipe I put in asparagus and zucchini as my vegetables. I just think that's a really nice spring touch. I also put a lot of herbs, some garlic and onion, and I put some cheese and some homemade yogurt in this egg bake recipe. You don't have to add the cheese or the yogurt, but I think it adds a really great extra taste. I wrote up all of these recipes in a free download on my website, and I will leave a link for that below. Then I made some homemade hash browns, and these are so simple. You just shred up a potato with a cheese grater and throw them on the cast iron pan to give them a flip and a little bit of stirring, and you've got yourself some nice hash browns. And to go with this, I wanted to make homemade ketchup. Homemade ketchup is so fun and easy to make, and it's a really healthy alternative to buying store-bought ketchup. So you're just gonna need tomatoes, and then you're gonna put a bunch of spices in a cheesecloth strainer, and then you're going to boil them together. I have the full instructions and tutorial of how to do this on the printable download ebook. A lot of store-bought ketchup contains sugar and some other ingredients that I can't pronounce, so I really like to make my own ketchup and food in general whenever I can. Then as a side for this brunch, we made homemade yogurt, and homemade Greek yogurt has a lot of probiotics in it. We did use starter cultures to make this yogurt in the Instant Pot, and I explained how to do that in our ebook. And then with the yogurt, I made an oven roasted granola, which is one of our favorites to have on hand at all times. It's so easy to make, and you can make it in bulk and then kind of have it all week. I work from home a lot, and so does my husband, and so having granola and yogurt on hand at all times is really helpful as a snack. I just use some oats and pumpkin seeds and coconut flakes to make this granola. It's really yummy. I wrote all of these recipes down in one place. It is a printable ebook that you can download, and you'll have all 5 of these recipes for the homemade ketchup, homemade hash browns, the vegetable egg bake, and then how to make yogurt and the oven roasted granola. They are all in one place in the ebook. The link to download your copy of the ebook is below this video, or you can just go to theduvalhomestead.com and you will see a free ebook tab, and you can download it from there. There were some technical difficulties the first time I put this ebook out, so if you tried to download it and you weren't able to get it, try again. It should work perfectly now. Well, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that these inspire you to create a really great spring brunch for your family, or a brunch any time of the year really, because anytime you're at home and eating breakfast, I think that's worth celebrating. So enjoy these recipes, and if you make them, make sure you let me know on Instagram or Facebook at tag the Duval Homestead, and I would love to see how they turn out. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe on YouTube and like on Facebook. Every week I post new farm-to-table recipes, homesteading, and natural living from our homestead here in Duval. Thanks so much for stopping by the homestead.